Good morning. We're gonna fix this Tesla up really good today.
Oh,
And I'm gonna
okay.
go ahead and paint.
Okay, so what color are you mixing?
I don't know the name. I have to look it
You
up.
don't know the name. What color is it?
It's a white pearl.
It's
That's
a pearl
what
one?
it is. Yes.
Three-stage pearl one?
Three stage. Yes. and
Okay.
it's
Are you gonna
awesome.
prep and paint it?
Yes, I'm gonna prep and paint it, and
Okay.
then
So I'm just gonna
sand
video
down a
record
little
you
bit.
today, right?
Yep, that's it.
Okay, okay.
I'm gonna do a great job too. You'll see.
It'll be nice and shiny.
Yep, nice and shiny. Bye. I'm gonna fix it up good.
Oh, okay. How are we gonna do the paint repair here?
So we're going to sand it. It's a 3-stage, so that means we have to put the paint on there and then put the clear coat. Well, actually, no, I missed one. The pearl after that, and then the clear coat. It's gonna look really shiny and pretty,
Sounds very easy. I'm glad you put it that way.
but it's very hard.
Yeah.
I did a quick tape up, so now I'm gonna sand it down so that way it's ready for paint and primer. First primer, actually, and then we'll get it all done and shiny. Cool. Thank you. Hey, you are being very rude.
No, I'm telling you, just wait for the thing for me to say action. Okay, go. Or action.
Okay, so I already sanded this down and it's ready for primer.
That looks beautiful.
It does.
Just
You did a
like
great
you.
job. Thank you. Okay, here you go.
Good. My, what big hands you have, Ingrid.
And hairy too.
Kinda, got them hands looking kinda manly.
Okay, so it's been scuffed. Now it's ready for paint.
You did a lot of work.
I know. Took a lot of time and effort, but it's looking more beautiful. Thank you. Okay, I'm getting ready to paint. I'm not wearing a mask, but I will be holding my breath. So don't worry. Guys, now we're ready to apply the pearl.
You know you gotta hook the air hose up to the gun, right? The air hose is over
Yeah,
there.
that's very good. Good observation.
Yeah, I'm glad I was here helping.
Yes. Okay.
Hold on.
So now we already did the, what do you call this thing again?
You're the one painting.
The
You don't know
pearl.
what you're doing?
The pearl.
Oh, okay.
And now we're gonna go ahead and clear coat, and it's gonna look shiny and beautiful again.
All right. Yeah, you forgot the air hose again.
I know.
What kind of painter you are, but anyway.
Okay, so I'll clear coat it now. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet sand and then buff, and
What-
it's gonna be all shiny.
What's wet sanding?
It's when you go like this, like with this little paper,
Oh.
and you make it dull, and then with the buffer, it becomes shiny.
Okay, but why are you gonna put sandpaper on clear coat? You just clear coated it.
Because that way it could be more smooth, the texture,
Oh, how do you get the scratches out that you put in there?
with the buffer.
Oh, you gonna buff it too?
Oh yeah,
Okay.
do all that work.
Let's see some wet sanded. Yeah.
Okay, all the wet sanding is done. Now it's buffing time.
Why is it so dull? Why
Because
isn't it shiny anymore?
we'll make it shiny with this.
Oh,
That's the process.
okay. I hope so. You know what you're doing with that buffing pad.
Yeah. Like that. Yeah, there you go.
Okay. If you don't know how to use it, we got YouTube videos that show you how.
Yes.
All right, go ahead. Okay.
All right, everyone. So the buffing is all complete. It's nice and shiny. If you want to come take a look.
Oh, man, look at that.
closer.
Look at that. Looks like a
Beautiful.
mirror.
Oh,
Holy cow.
good
Re-
job.
You ready to get it untaped?
Yes. All complete, nice and beautiful and shiny.
Oh, can I
Call
take a...
us if you need some help.
Okay, let me take a look here, see what you did. Let's see you can see the reflection in here. How's that reflection? Get it close here. Yeah, you didn't do too bad, lady. Huh,
Did pretty good work.
yeah. It's a little bright out here, so I don't know if we can get all the shine, reflection. Let me see here. Maybe here. It's so bright out, golly. How long did it take to repair?
About 5.5 hours to 6 hours, somewhere in there.
Oh, okay. That's nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Is it ready to drive?
It's ready to drive. You can drive it right away. Wash it if you want. Just don't wax it for 90 days.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Perfect. Bye. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.